Before we move on to the next lecture, I'm actually gonna go ahead and give you a major spoiler for the key concept of the first half of this course. We have seen in this lecture what it means for the rank of the matrix to be equal to m and for the rank of the matrix to be equal to n. But that is actually only the first part of what we're gonna have. So we have seen how the system of equations has to do with matrix. However, when the rank of the matrix equal to m or n, it will have a special meaning in terms of vector as well, and we're going to be exploring that in the upcoming lectures. We're going to be talking about span, linearly independent, and basis. So this is going to be in the, lecture 3, lecture 4, and then lecture 6. Yeah, so in a way, we actually are going to come back and revisit some of the examples that we talk about in this lecture later.